Hi, this is Marcus with RedPort Global. Updating your firmware on your Wi-Fi extender and optimizer is essential to keeping your system running smoothly. Today we're going to show you the simple steps to complete this process. Remember, you can pause the video at any moment if you've missed a step. If you have enabled Wi-Fi extender mode on your optimizer, you will want to disable it before proceeding with the updating of the firmware process. Click the Admin tab to return to the home page of the interface. Click Disable Wi-Fi Extender Mode at the top of your screen. This will once again cause your optimizer to restart, so Wi-Fi Connect back to it before proceeding. After you've downloaded the firmware files, log into your optimizer using the username superadmin. On the home page of your interface, you will want to click the System tab. Under the System tab, you will see 5 subcategories. Click on Backup Flash Firmware. On the Flash Operations page, you will see the Flash New Firmware Image section in the middle. Make sure the Keep Settings box is unchecked. You will then choose the correct optimizer firmware file to insert. Then proceed to click Flash Image. Click Proceed to install the firmware on the optimizer. Be sure your system does not lose power during this time. The firmware is now being installed on your optimizer. This may take a few minutes, so be sure to Wi-Fi connect back to your optimizer when the gray button is solid blue. Once again, log into the interface of the optimizer using the username superadmin. If you are unsure if your Wi-Fi extender is connected, you should see the Wi-Fi extender setup section in the middle. Follow the previous steps and click on System, followed by Backup Flash Firmware. Next, you will click on the Backup Flash Firmware link under the Wi-Fi Extender section. Make sure the Keep Settings box is unchecked. You will insert the Wi-Fi Extender firmware file here and click Flash Image. Click Proceed to install the firmware on your Wi-Fi extender. Be sure your system does not lose power during this time. The firmware is now being installed on your Wi-Fi extender. You can close this page as you will not be able to access it anymore. Log back into the interface of the optimizer one more time. You will see the Wi-Fi extender setup section when your Wi-Fi extender is done updating the firmware. You can now begin to configure your network. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@redportglobal.com.